Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty free, mainly beauty. I'm going to be getting into my ice cream beauty box. I'm really excited. I'm still working my background, never ending. I want to put something here so that the wall doesn't end, but you know what? We're working on it. All right. So let's get into this. I'm so excited. I'm wearing the lip product right now. I'm really excited. They show like their spoilers and stuff of all the products we're going to be receiving, but I don't care. Like, let's get into this immediately. We have two eyeshadow palettes. This is the Ethereal palette, which I have an Ethereal palette from Girl My Girls, but this is completely different. This is a dupe for the Huda Beauty Dark Nude palette or something. I don't know. Exact dupe, probably. I don't know if the formula is exactly the same, but like, look at that blue, like shifting brown. Ooh. And this is like the gooey shade in here. Look at it. It looks wet to me. This is actually, I can't tell if is it wet or is it oil? I don't know. It's the shade Slippery, which it looks pretty slippery to me. It looks like goo. But this looks like a really nice, like, I don't want to mess it up until I take pictures, but I will post swatches. This looks really pretty though. Like, this Swirl effect reminds me of, they're not the first ones to do it, but I mean, Huda Beauty did it, which their palettes are not vegan, by the way. So if you want like a vegan dupe, this is by Aqualon. It's their 18 color shadows palette. So, and it is vegan. So, and the packaging's kind of like similar vibes. But yeah, this looks really pretty. I like how it's raised too. It's textured, and yeah, it just looks really pretty and sparkly and delicious. Like, I know they're all browns, but they are really pretty. This gives me the vibes of the Aquavanga palette from Nomad with the like swirled pans and stuff. Those are supposed to be like animal print. And then we have by Delancey multi-chrome eyeshadow palette. Look at the packaging though. It's so pretty metallic. My lighting can't handle it. So just simple like black packaging, but like all purple. I have to swatch this. Like, have to swatch this. My PJ pants because it's after work day. For some reason, there's a little bit of a oil thing there. I don't know. And my dog, of course, is doing her little dance. Oh my gosh. Oh. Pretty. Ooh. Very pretty. And then this is by the brand Queens. It's QVEEN. Like, look at the little dragon. This is so cute. And like the snake kind of, like, well, it's like a dragon. This is a highlighter in the shade Ice Cream. It's a universal shade. Well, it's supposed to, at least that's what it says. It's supposed to be a universal shade. So here we have the little dragons all over it too. Has the protector. And it is a stick highlighter. Oh, it looks glossy. There's a little bit of cooling. Ooh. It has like you can't even see it. It's like a champagne shade. So I'm excited about that. And there it is, blended in, just blends into the skin. And I like that they didn't put a dark one in there because I just got a dark one from Ipsy. And it is like darker, okay? They came using it as a contour. And then we have got this brand last month, I believe. This is Chantico Beauty. We got two duochrome liquid eyeshadows. This reminds me of Hawaii. Only thing is, I don't know the names of these shades because it just has numbers from eyeshadows. But like I said, I don't know the names of them. And the only thing I will say is they kind of are similar, but let me swatch them. I don't know. Did we get one of these before and I didn't like it? Maybe. Hopefully I like these. Okay, they don't look similar at all. I'm hoping they set down. So I think that was my gripe with them. I think I got a pink with like a white pink one, but it didn't dry at all and it was very creasy. Which these need to dry. Like crease. but they do look really, really pretty. So we will wait a little bit, but I can literally do this like all day, like shift. And then what I'm wearing on my lips, this is from Hot Mess Mama on YouTube, Hot Mess Mama of 4, Rhonda, which I love her channel. And it is from Ofra. It's a liquid lipstick. And this is, I've had 2 liquid lipsticks from Ofra, and I haven't had a new one in a while. So like the smell is kind of like a vanilla-y, like, hold on. Kind of like a mocha, but not full-on mocha, like more vanilla, but not like, I don't know, like not vanilla bean. But they're so like, they have a moussey texture, very smooth, not 100% transfer proof, but very long wearing. I've been wearing my makeup all day, okay? Feels very just smooth and like not drying. Like I forgot how much I like these. Yes, you do get butthole lip and lines if you have lines in your lips. But it still is pretty nice. So I'm going to show you. So, you know, but it just feels nice. Like it has this like soft like feel to it, but this color just, love this color. That is what we got. So we got, oh no. Hold on, let me see. I'm trying to see if it's gonna be, okay, these are gonna take a little bit to dry. So, I will let you guys know how these are. I'll let you guys know like how these wear. Maybe I'll do like a follow-up like mini reviews to let you guys know how these products are. So far the eyeshadows are nice, but the cream ones, I'll have to let you guys know. They do feel dry. They do feel like they're drying down, but they're not the ones where like, maybe that's a good thing. You have more room to play, but I recommend, I don't know. I'll let you guys know how I like these. This so far, obviously, yes. I can't wait to play with this. This, yes. You guys to be determined. So, and then the highlighter I'm excited about as well. So yeah, this was, I think it's $25 or $28. Put it on the screen. Cruelty-free, vegan, all indie brands. It's just really fun. Like, compared to like the other ones on the market, which I, by the way, am going to be getting FabFitFun. I posted all the choices and everything, and I did sign up to be an annual member so I can pick out all my options because I want to know what I'm getting, right? If I can make choices, I will. So yeah, enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.